There are a few places that take you back to your childhood days, and Universal Studio is definitely one of that. Few days back, I visited Universal Studio Hollywood, which is one of the oldest and most famous Hollywood film studios still in use. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know before coming to Universal Studio and would also take you around the place. Now this place has everything from rides to shows that will make you feel that you're actually a part of a movie, to my favorite Harry Potter world and the world famous Universal Studio tour narrated by Jimmy Fallon. So to enjoy all of this, stay tuned till the end of this video. Hi all of you, welcome back to Travel Tabby. I am Jagriti and this is our day 2 of the trip. अभी हम लोग LA में हैं और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो. ओके, हम लोगों ने पार्किंग में गाड़ी खड़ी कर दी है. हमें पार्किंग के लगे अराउंड $30. फुल डे पार्किंग है, पर हम लोग देखो 12:30 हो चुके ऑलरेडी पहुँचे हुए और सब कुछ फुल था. मोस्टली सब कुछ फुल था, तो थोड़ा टाइम पे आना होगा. Now the first thing is you need to have your vaccination card. They're very strict about it. And the second, you need to have your ticket. I will suggest book your ticket online. It will cost you around $100 and would save you a lot of time when you reach there. We started our tour from Water World. It's a 20 to 25 minutes water show, so look at the timing and do not miss on it. It has some amazing cast. Let's take a look at how this show goes.
बहुत ही अच्छा शो होगा.
मुझे ना अभी ऐसा फील आ रहा है जैसे मैं किसी मूवी की शूटिंग में बैठी हूँ और अभी कुछ तो बहुत खतरनाक सा शूट होने वाला है.
They are pirates, thieves. They will not hesitate to turn this beautiful fortress of ours into nothing. So, in order to avoid that happening to us, we need to make sure that... Oh, Matt, sound the alarm! Helen, get to that tower. Quick, go! This is not a drill. Kyle! Kyle! Are you all right?
I am now.
Helen! What are you doing, the fish boy? He's not your...
ओ भाई 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 क्या मज़ा है देख के. दिस इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड. आओगे यहाँ पे तो पक्का वाटर शो ज़रूर देखना. टाइमिंग देख लेना क्या क्या है, बट दिस इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड.
इसके अंदर एक आदमी भी हो सकता है.
क्या
इसके अंदर आदमी भी हो सकता है.
चलेगा? The next was Harry Potter World. Trust me, as soon as you'll enter this place, it will feel like you're in a dream. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, it's your day. This is it. यार ये कितना सही लग रहा है.
I know your excitement. This was my first time excitement.
Yeah. Oh. Ready? Ready? सब
घर पे कर दी.
भाई अगर आप हैरी पॉटर फैन हो, ये जगह जन्नत आपके लिए. आप यू विल एंजॉय अ लॉट. ओके, तो हम लोग दूसरी हैरी पॉटर राइड के लिए जा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एंटर करते ही you have to put all your gadgets in a locker room. Wait, let me show you. मेरे सारे locker rooms. फ़ोन रखना अलाउड था तो फ़ोन हम लोग लेके आ गए हैं और बाकी सारा जितना सामान था वो हमने रख दिया.
And now, a warning. Do not run.
The third place we explored was Springfield. To be honest, I found it little average after the Harry Potter rides, but if you have time, you can definitely visit this.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the
Beside all this, there are multiple places to enjoy food here. Vegetarian options are slightly limited though, and be prepared for a lot of work inside the studio, so make sure you wear good pair of shoes. Okay, we had our food और अभी हम लोग डोनट ले रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं खाने के लिए नहीं चाहिए हम लोगों को, फोटो खिंचाने के लिए चाहिए. काफ़ी बड़ा सा डोनट है तो ये यहाँ पे इसके साथ फोटो खिंचाएंगे और फिर इसके बाद नेक्स्ट हम लोग जा रहे हैं स्टूडियो टूर करने. The next is world famous studio tour. The last tour goes at 6 p.m. so just make sure that you go on time. It's a 1-hour crazy experience. This little train is going to take you around the studio, and if you're a movie lover, you're going to enjoy this 1 hour. You will see your favorite movie sets, how few scenes were shot with audio and visual effect, and so much more. In the end, we also went for rides in Jurassic Park and Transformer. Both were amazing. अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर देना, एंड हम लोग मिलेंगे हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.